Okay, so this one, okay, as you can see, okay, I will show you how to download it first, and then you can just arrange it and then apply the colors uh, on the material, okay, onto the file directly. So I will hide this first. Okay, now you can see the blank space. Alright, before that, just let me share. So for example, there's a lot of file that you can download here. There's a lot of selection. Okay, so this one is free to download. Okay, some of the website you have to pay for the item, but this one, okay, you can download it and then you just can select it. Okay, for example, this one, okay, I want to download this table. Okay, so I just click on this. All right, and then you just click download. Okay, so before you download, okay, you make sure the file, okay, this is the file. Okay, for Rhinoceros you can download for IGES or 3DS or STL or something like that. Okay, so this one you have two uh, file mode. Okay, so this is GSM and one is a 3DS. Okay, so after you done download it, okay, you can open this one and then we try to extract it. Okay, so extract to. Okay, all right, that is extract, and there you go. Okay, so this is, okay, for example, this is the armchair, right? So this is the file. So you can see here there's a obj.3ds and .gsm. Okay, so you can actually import the obj or 3ds file. So how to do it? Okay, you just either you can click open on the Rhino. Okay, you can import, or you can just go to the file, this one, and then you just drag it, and then drag it into this software. So it will have this option whether you want to open, inside, or import. So we are going to select import, and then you click OK. Alright, and then you just click OK. There you are. Alright, wait, it's auto saving. Okay, so actually when we import the file is quite big. Okay, so you can see that this file have its own, it's already separated. Okay, file. So I just want to select it. I need to resize it. Okay, because it's just too big, we need to resize it. So I'm going to resize it very small. Okay, so it will suit to our design here. Okay, let me make it small. Okay, so now you don't have the material yet. Okay, so later we will put the apply the material. Okay, so you can also do it right away. Okay, so I have this material. Okay, let's say that this one or this one. Alright, so I just apply this material to the imported object from the selection, and then this is actually frame color, background. So I want to put this one as a background. Okay, that's all. After you've done that, okay, you can select all the objects and then you can group it. Okay, alright. So now you have imported a chair inside this. So let's go back to the one that we did before. This one. Okay, let's say that I want to change, okay, this one. I will ungroup this and I will delete this part here. Okay, so actually the same method that I used for this one. Okay, so as you can see, there's a few parts. Okay, and imported. Okay, just delete it, and then I just can drag it and adjust it. this. Okay, so let's see the position of it. Just go to down, and then you need to adjust the size. Okay, so it's very proportionate. Okay, alright, adjust the size, then put it here. Okay, the position, and then we adjust it a little bit. Okay, still too big, make it smaller a little bit. So actually you can export any file, okay, especially in a .3ds or .iges into Rhino. Okay, so for example like this. Okay, so let's look at the rendered view. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, so like example that I want to add a little, add another part here. Okay, another object. Okay, so this one you can just change object layer. Okay, let's try another. Okay, I already download this. Okay, let's extract here. Okay, this one. So you can see the picture. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, very interesting shape. So round table. Right, then you can just select the 3.3gs file. So the file is quite big, 18.2 megabyte. So just again drag this and then click import. Then click OK. Okay, going to take time sometimes. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, and you can see here there's a so this is the glass. Okay, so sometimes when you download the file, the glass, okay, the some of what is separated. Okay, so you need to okay group it. Okay, and then like this glass, I don't know whether this one to be can be seen in the rendered view or not. Okay, yes. Okay, just the position, and then just drag this. Alright, so let's see in the render view. Okay, the shaded view. Okay, we got the glass. Okay, so let's try to apply some materials. Okay, so material editor. So this one is going to be for the leg. I get down here. I'm going to put some black color. Plus, okay. Oh no. Try again. So the top. This is white gloss. Okay, I think I want to put the white gloss. Okay, this one. White gloss. Okay. And again shaded. So this one I'm going to put glass. Okay, this is not glass. Okay, here it is. So I'm just going to select all this and then I click again. Okay, so we're going back to the rendering. Okay, so actually for the interior I didn't make the whole room. I just put that some block here. Okay, so this is going to be the balcony. Right, so let's adjust. Before that I want to remove this table. Okay, so I'm just going to resize it and then position it. Okay, so it will be nicely placed at the table. Alright, there you go. Okay, I just move it over here. Okay, there you are. So in the render view, like this. Okay, so actually there's a this one to I want to put it over here. So just select this, then move it. Okay, and then put it on the top of the table. Okay, put it centered. Like that. Right? Okay, so you can see now. Okay, it will change. Okay, after that, okay, we can try to do the rendering. Okay, so I'll just unhide everything. So I actually put some lighting points. Okay, so if you can see in the shaded view. Okay, so this is all the lighting points. Okay, so later I will show you on how to put the lighting point. Okay, let's say that you want to add some more features. Example that you want to add this curtain. Okay, so I will show you on how to create a curtain. Actually, it's quite simple. Okay, so to do the curtain, okay, I will start on the top first. Okay, I will use this control point curve. So I just try to create something like this. Okay, okay, and then okay, done. Right. So actually, it's just like a you know very unsymmetrical lines here. So I just going to go out straight down here, and then I will copy another line down here. Okay, just copy. Okay, so select the bottom part, and then you just make it wider, just like that. Okay, so in the 3D it will look like this, right? So what you're going to do is, okay, you just click surface tool, and then you just can click loft. Alright, so you just select this one, and then this one, and then there you go. So you already made a curtain. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, this is how you do a curtain in Rhino. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. Right. So this one, okay, I will just hide this. Okay, show this. Okay, shade it. Alright. So the curtain, I will put it on the this window here. Right. So I'll need to readjust the size, and then just place it behind here. Okay. Alright. So let's see. Okay, it's going to be over here. And then I just adjust like this. And then adjust the size. Okay. There you go. So you already done the curtain here. Okay. So then you can copy. You just put it over here. Okay. Done. You already done the doing the curtain. Okay. So they say that you need to adjust a little bit more. Okay. You just can adjust. Maybe you need to reposition it upstairs a little bit. Then there you go. Right. Done. Okay. So let's try to render this. Okay. So I will change the size first. Okay. So it's not going to take the output. Okay, I will not override it. So let's see how it goes, and then click render. So it's going to take some time because when you put a lot of material, you put a lot of lighting. Okay, so the process of the rendering will take some time. Okay, some like for example, some of my previous work. Okay, one view can took about half an hour. Okay, so it depends on the material. There's a lot of objects in the scene or in the that view. Okay, so it's going to take more time. right? So, oh yeah, I already did this. Okay, I think because I didn't have the material, okay, but later I will show you. So, basically, I just want to show you, okay, how you can import, okay, uh, files, okay, 3D file from other software you download from the internet, that you can just export it. So actually, any files you can download for like the cars or motorcycle or everything, okay, in the software also. Right, so let me show you, okay, the final rendering we do like something like this, okay. So this is fully rendered, yes, with the materials and everything. I put some extra eye in the background behind it, so it looks almost realistic, okay. So the original is this file, okay, so you can see, uh, right, this is before rendering, and then this is after rendering, okay. So I made a lot of version of it, okay. Okay, so also I have this one is a different color, this one, so I added like a motorcycle inside it, right? So let me sort by that first, okay, so you can see the result, okay. So this is just change the color, okay, the material, okay. So when you change the color, okay, it will create a different mood and everything, right? So when you put the lighting, okay, it will make the interior look more realistic, okay. And then the selection of material is also very important when you want to do the interior design, right?